All right, stop scrolling for a second. Seriously. What if this weekend, instead of it just being another 7 days, you actually built something? Something that could slip an extra $1,000, maybe even more, into your pocket? Let's ditch the someday and the I don't have enough money excuses. If you've got a weekend and phone or PC with internet, you've got everything you need to get started. What are your hobbies and interests? The things you do for fun can often become profitable. Love baking? Obsessed with pets? Enjoy making art or crafts? Maybe you're a gaming guru or a fitness buff. Your passion can totally pay. Don't filter yourself here. Just jot everything down. The aim isn't to stumble upon the next $1 million idea. Once you have a list, pick your top 3 niche and think about what is best niche for you. Action and making that first $1,000. All the planning and learning are pretty pointless if you don't actually do. Trust me, imperfect action is way better than perfect inaction. Choose a niche that you like or you have a lot of information about. Now you need a phone or PC and of course internet and your capital. First of all, you need a bank account, and one of the best digital banks is Re.Pay, easy to send and receive money, especially if you have some money in crypto. Enter the link in the description and get $5. Open an account. Complete the required steps such as identity verification. Just to note, you must be over 18 years old, and if you are not registered with someone over 18, charge your balance and buy a Visa card that costs only $10. You need it to send and receive money. When you complete, enter one of the best AI to help you analyze your opponents in your niche, create titles, scripts, keywords, thumbnails, and give ideas for videos. There is a free version. Now, when you sign up, enter to get video ideas and search for popular topics. Now choose the topic and tell it to write you a script about it. When this is completed, turn it into Notion and modify it a little as you see fit. When you complete, enter to AI to convert text to speech. When you complete the voiceover, you need a montage program. If you are in a PC, the best one in my opinion is DaVinci Resolve, or use CapCut. It's easier and less complicated. If you are on a phone, the best one is CapCut, and there are many educational videos on YouTube for both programs. I have a PC, so I use CapCut. When you enter the program, you need digital assets, such as images and voiceovers and other things. And now let's say that you have completed the video. We need to cut it into short videos that you can do on your own, but if you want to save time and effort, enter this site. It cuts the long video and produces many short videos. There is a free version of it. Now, congratulations, you have completed your first video. You just have to publish the long video on YouTube. And short videos are popular on YouTube and Instagram and TikTok so that you get the largest possible number of views. Maybe now you will tell me that you do not have money for these sites. Register in them and work with the free version until its expiration. When the free version ends, subscribe to the paid version. Not all sites you need them in the beginning. I will rank them in order of importance. 1. Reddit.Pay, the digital bank. You need it to receive money. 2. Vidit, give you ideas and keywords, thumbnails and scripts. 3. ElevenLab, that converts text to speech. Pixels, to make the best thumbnails. Submagic, that converts videos to short. Beyond the weekend, what's next? Congratulations! If you actually went for it, you've likely made your first $100 or you're super close. You've taken an idea and turned it into real cash. That's a massive win for just one weekend. So what will happen after this? Reinvest wisely. Once you start earning a bit, think about putting a small slice of it back into your channel. Maybe it's slightly better or a new tool that makes your work easier or better. If you have a question, comment below. I will read all the comments. And if you want more no-nonsense, actionable strategies for making money, building your financial independence, and living a life with more options, make sure you subscribe and hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on what's next.